This is the full story though, full vlog today about Robert, the 1933 steam train, 060 gauge, well the wheels anyway, but yeah, just want to show you, I pay disrespect for the train, but bear in mind the train is nice. It's a nice train, it's got a nice history. 1969 the railway closed. This is Robert the train. Made in Bristol, 1933. Yes. The 606, 060 is the wheels, actually, it's not the gauge, so I'm silly there, sorry. So about the cafe over here, it's disgusting though. Yeah. It's a nice train other than that. It's beautiful. Beautiful steam train. Despite all the mess that's all over it. Yes, do come down here in Stratford to check it out. It's a lovely train. By the East London docks, but it's a lovely train.